How to install a Honda mulch plug. Honda mowers are versatile pieces of lawn equipment. They use a grass catcher on the rear of the mower that effectively removes the clippings from the lawn as you mow. The mowers also have the ability to mulch the grass clippings. You must install the Honda mulch plug into the mower when you wish to mulch. The plug decreases the space under the mower deck and forces the grass clippings into a smaller area where they get cut up into smaller pieces. Shut off the Honda mower, if it is currently running. Allow the blade to stop turning completely. Grasp the end of the discharge chute door where it rests against the grass bag with your hand, and lift it off the grass bag. Pull the brass bag handle by the discharge chute door away from the rear of the mower. Release the discharge chute door slowly from your other hand. Lift the grass bag through the handlebar opening with both hands and set it aside. Alternatively, pull the grass bag to the rear through the bottom of the handlebars. Raise the discharge chute door with one hand. Insert the mulching plug into the slot on the right rear of the mower inside the discharge area. Push the mulching plug into the slot securely. Lower the discharge chute door. When the plug is properly inserted, the door will close fully on the back of the mower. Tips warnings. Honda sells mulching kits for their mowers. These kits include the mulching plug as well as a mulching blade for more effective mulching. Kits are available through Honda authorized dealers.